Hi and welcome back to Customs by JMac. I got a couple of announcements to make really quick. Today is January 18th. We have exactly 2 months until we have to be in Sand Hollow, Utah for Matt's off-road games. And we have a mere 2 years worth of work left to do on the wrecker. If you've noticed, I changed the name of the channel to JMac's Customs. I've been JMac's Customs forever. I went with Customs by JMac for a name for my channel. It don't have a ring to it that I like, and when I start doing merch and stuff, I have all of my JMac's Customs logo and everything all designed, so it was easier and made more sense for me to go ahead and switch this channel up to JMac's Customs. So from now on, if you see that pop up, it's me, Customs by JMac, just under a different name. Little update, I'm working on the next videos, which is the front end on this thing. I'm going to get the radiator, the intercooler and all that stuff in it and get the front end on it, build some drive lines, and I'll get the interior buttoned up so that in the next couple of weeks we'll be able to take this thing for a little rip, and then we'll turn it around here in the shop and start doing hydraulics and building the bed and putting the boom and starting to throw some lights and stuff on it. So stay tuned to the channel. If you take a minute of your time, I noticed that like 64% of you guys are watching and haven't subscribed. Search through and hit that red subscribe button. Help this channel blow up and push me to the next level as far as getting monetized and everything. And here's a little recap of what we've done so far. Just a nice little Sunday video for you. Two months left. I appreciate you. Have a great Sunday, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Pull on this.
Where are we hooking onto it? Right here?
Well, you better hook it on the other side so it picks up the side we want it to.
Give me a little bit more winch.
I will. Chill out. Just hook it over that rear cross member.
Okay, I'm good.
Got her up in the air here. Get that tire pulled off. Now just slap that bare rim on there so we don't ruin the brakes and stuff. See that bumper brace on the frame? Put it as close to the frame as you can.
Okay. Right there.
That's how it'll be flexed out someday.
Do what?
After we get it turned into a rock crawler. It better flex better than that though.
That's not enough?
Heck no.
Up just a tad bit more. Right there. Up just a tad bit more. No, down. Right there. Now up.
Tell me this wrecker ain't handy, huh?
It is.
Alright, we got the new starter on there. It does the exact same thing as the old one. And we hooked up our scan tool. And we've got a no communication error. So we put the new body control module on there. That did nothing. So now Slim is putting ECM on it. We'll see if it cranks here in a minute. Well, we have nothing but bad news. We found some bad relays. We found a couple of blown fuses. We still have a no communication error. We did get it to crank, but the valve cover was loose and the one injection line was loose. So we pulled the valve cover up and there's like a milkshake in there and there's antifreeze everywhere. So this engine needs to be pulled.
You just push that and all the antifreeze just runs down the side of the rocker arms. This thing go.
It ain't gonna go.
Yeah, it's I'm gonna go.
How many RPMs do you want?
What's holding this on? Now we're gonna take the cab up and away.
There you go. Okay.
Here's the moment of truth.
Hey! You said once, you didn't say anything about around quite a bit because the rock slider is really thick. The rocker is really thin. So I have to get the thick metal really hot and then pull the thin metal into it. Otherwise I'm just going to burn through everywhere and have a bunch of big holes. So it's going to be a process. What in the heck is going on with the pickup? It looks like the off-road wrecker is having a day, doesn't it? I'll show you just how slick this works. Check this out. And that's all it takes. Now you just go right back up if you want. This thing would make Optimus Prime and Bumblebee and those guys proud. They'd be like, heck yeah, that freaking Dodge is transforming.